Hi, I am Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. In today's topic, I am going to list down 4 mistakes made by the UX UI design beginners. Let's get started. Four mistakes you should avoid as a UX UI design beginner. The first mistake, doing design alone. So UX UI design is a collaborative process. So you have to collaborate with other designers and the senior designers, so that you can be able to understand their approach and their insights about the project, and you can be able to learn n number of technical skills and problem solving skills from them. Imagine a movie song. So the songs are composed by or orchestration by n number of instruments, different kind of instruments, so that the song has a huge richness and you have a very pleasing in your ears. So the same scenario, if you are going to working on any project, you have to collaborate with the other designers. The second mistake, not doing user research. As a beginner, if you are not doing any user research, then there is no meaning of your project and you are not solving any problem of your users as well. So think about the red bus, they are offering the pink seats. So if they are not conducting the user research with a female user, how come they can able to provide this kind of a unique solutions? Basically, the pink seats only for the female travelers. So the female travelers only can able to book the pink seats on the red bus applications. So without conducting the user research, how come they are coming to this kind of an approach or this kind of a solution to the user? So being a beginner, you have to do the user research. My recommendation, you have to do it very comprehensive manner, both qualitative, quantitative, right? So n number of user research methods are available. So you have to do that. Third mistake, prioritizing of the aesthetics over the usability. As a beginner, you people are always browsing that Dribble, Behance and other mobile applications or design inspiration websites and get a lot of inspiration from that, and you are creating the design for a more into the flashy, jazzy or creative perspective designs. So fundamentally, you people are working more towards to the aesthetics creativity. So you have to think about the usability perspective as well. So if you want to become a very good UX and UI designer, my recommendation, you have to go to the Google Play Store or App Store and you have to choose the popular application or the editor's choice applications and install that app, so that you can able to understand what kind of an aesthetic they are providing and how they are prioritizing the usability than the aesthetics. So if they are having a huge graphical elements in that application takes a lot of time to load. So being a beginner, you have to avoid those kind of an inspiration websites. So you have to visit these kind of a Google Play Store, App Store, editor's choice or the top picks of the apps and install, and you can experience it. These applications are giving the focus towards to the usability and aesthetics, not aesthetics and usability. Fourth mistake, fall in love with AI tools. Yes, I can understand AIs are very much booming in this market in 2024 and most of the people are falling in love with the AI tools. And a lot of AI tools also emerging in the market. So all the people are fascinating to using the AI tools. So the AI tools are helping you to reduce your workload. So it will be simplifying the workload only. But you have to think about the UX laws and your design principles, all are same only. So it will not change by the AI tools. Being a UX designer, you have to be very much understanding of the design fundamentals and focusing on the UX principles and practicing the UX methods. So that all of the things are very important in these days. You can use the AI tools, something like one of the assistant kind of a stuff that will be help you to reduce your workload only. So keep that point in your mind so that you can be a better UX and UI designer, and AI tools cannot be replacing you as well. I hope you like this topic. If you have any queries, we can discuss on the comment section. And I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye.